flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make pizza casserole. Super easy and quick. So these are the ingredients that I use: ground beef, noodles, pepperoni, pizza sauce, diced onion, Parmesan cheese, Parmesan and Rome cheese, water, Italian season, and garlic. So let's just jump right into this video. You want to start off by boiling your noodles. So you just boil them according to the packaging. So I'm adding a little oil. And salt. I'm gonna wait till that comes to a boil. While that's coming to a boil, I am going to cook my ground beef. I'm gonna add my onion. I cut up a little more than what I needed. My Italian seasoning and my garlic. So you want to mix this really good. You know, get all those seasonings added up in there. And you're just going to cook this until it browns. Now that our ground beef and our pasta has cooked, you want to take your pizza sauce. And your water. And you want to mix it together. You know, just give it a little stir. Next, you want to add your pasta. And you want to put your oven on 350. Make sure your oven is preheating at 350. You want to mix your pasta in there really good. Next, you want to mix in a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. This smells amazing, you guys. Absolutely amazing. Next, you want to add your ground beef. I probably should have got a bigger bowl. So I added in a little bit at a time. Next, you want to take your pepperoni and add your few pepperoni, which I half in these, so they are half. So just add your fruit half pepperoni in there. Add as little or as many as you like. My family loves pepperoni. Everybody but one person in this house loves pepperoni, so she'll pick hers out. But add your pepperoni. Next, you want to take your baking dish and you want to spray it, and you want to pour all of that goodness. Don't make a mess like me. That was really heavy. But you want to pour all of that goodness in a pan, which I did spray it. Now you're going to take your mozzarella cheese and you're just going to sprinkle it on top. After you add your mozzarella cheese, you're just going to top it off with pepperonis. It should look something like that. Absolutely amazing. Now we're going to cover it with aluminum foil. Place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. So you're going to remove your foil. Doesn't that look amazing? The cheese is not all the way melted, which is okay because we're going to put it back in there. I just like to sprinkle fresh grated Parmesan cheese on top. Oh my goodness, you guys. Honey, I'm ready to eat. Don't this look amazing? You know, just sprinkle a little fresh Parmesan. And after you sprinkle this fresh Parmesan, you are going to stick it back in the oven. And you're going to allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so our pizza casserole cooked for additional 10 minutes. Look at that goodness. So mine's been sitting for a little while. I had to go pick up my kids from school. But look at this goodness, you guys. Look at that. It's still warm, still yummy. Goodness. You see how quick and simple and easy that was? Pizza casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my pizza casserole. Like I stated before, it is quick, simple, and easy, you guys. It don't take long at all. This is one of my 30-minute meals, I call it. So if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload. And to my subscribers out there, you already know I love you guys. I truly, truly, truly do. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.